Perfect.
What you got in here?
Two EM Audio Super Team 12s, D1s wired at a half ohm, two Wolfram 9K amps, 90 amp hour C-Max bank.
I know when I seen that wolf ring, yeah. But you can't find them all the wolves right now.
Oh yeah.
You gotta get them, you gotta hold on to them.
You doing alright today?
Yeah, I can't complain, man.
Good.
Yeah, man. Yeah, we made it out here, so we
Absolutely.
Right. Yeah.
Perfect.
What kind of coil I've been saying, I seen that motor, I was like, maybe it's just like a little prototype of something they showing. They really ain't making them that big.
Nah, they really are.
They really making them that big.
Yeah, they really make them that big.
Can I get some pictures of the back? Can you open that?
Yeah, absolutely. Watch stuff you got. Yeah.
What's up, man? Yeah, that's a big motor on there, man. I seen it sitting on the table. I said, no, that ain't no real sub, is it?
Oh,
That's it.
That's
it. You got some motor force.
Yeah, it is. Particularly for 12, yeah. It's, still breaking the bed.
Appreciate it, bro. I ain't getting this one.